Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the error code WS-116522-7. Something went wrong on the server, and in order to fix this, it's pretty simple. So the first thing that it could be is that it's an error on their end, and there isn't really much you can do other than just wait it out and let them fix the servers. However, if it is not an error on their end, what you can do is, the first thing you guys can do is go ahead and just restart your PlayStation. Go ahead and go to power and just restart your PS5 and let it turn back on itself, and go back and see if the app is working. If the app still does not work, what you can do is check for the latest update. Make sure that the game is updated to its latest update and to the latest version, and once you do that, you should be good to go. If the error still does persist, the other method you guys can do is go to settings, go to network, and make sure you are signed in. Your PlayStation network is signed in and you're good to go. Test your internet connection, make sure everything is working, and you guys should be good to go. The last thing you guys can do is, instead of using a regular Wi-Fi cable, you can connect an Ethernet cable, because that will also help as well. And not only is that gonna fix the issue, it's also gonna make you lag less, and it's gonna give you higher frame rate. It's gonna just make your overall PS5 experience much smoother. And yeah, once you do that, you guys should be good to go. And yeah, that is it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.